How to copy TikTok profile and post link to place an order on Fresh Connect panel. Step 1. Go to your browser or app and log into your Fresh Connect panel account by using your email and password, or sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Scroll down and search for the specific TikTok service you want, or you can just search for TikTok and navigate through the options. Step 3. Select the TikTok service you want and scroll down. You need to paste your TikTok profile link here. To do that, log in to your TikTok account. Go to your profile, click on the QR code beside your username, then click on Share and copy your profile link. Step 4. Go back to your Fresh Connect panel account and paste your link to finalize your order. If you're trying to order TikTok post view and reaction services, make sure you log in to your TikTok account, then copy the post link and paste it into the link box on Fresh Connect panel.